events like this are super important for the printing industry because printing companies need to understand that they need to make a switch from mass production to mass personalization.
For us, it's a great presence to have to show the embroidery software that we have, where we have some of the software solutions.
It's just really lovely to see all the innovation around and to see personalisation and what's happening and what everyone else is doing with it.
We've come here to learn and engage and take on that information. As a result, we've come away with 2 takeaways that we're going to put into our sales process.
We're seeing the rise of personalisation coming up in Australia. There's demand for that. It's so good just to be a firm to realise that this is happening all around the world.
I would absolutely recommend it. You can find in every sector what you want.
FESPA just brings the whole of Europe together.
The customization is very important to growing up in this field. We need this.
Thank you everybody. What an incredible week we have had here in Amsterdam for the Personalisation Experience. Thank you to everybody who has exhibited at the show, everybody who's visited the show from all across the world. We've really had an incredible week here. We will see you next year in Berlin.